Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. In the previous videos, we discussed the two main tasks performed by admin: managing user account and manage user password. In the today video, we are going to discuss a very important task performed by an admin, that is manage groups. It means he can create group and he can edit group and he can delete groups. Before jumping to create groups, let's know about what is Office 365 groups. A group in Office 365 is created to choose set up people to work together with and to share resources, just like we create groups in WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. In these groups, we share information and any other files with the member of that group. Let's see what resources we can share in Office 365. We can share Outlook to share in email. We can also share calendar to share an event. We can also share a document library to share any file. So we can share email, event, and any file in Office 365 group. There are two main roles related to Office 365 group. Number one, owner, and number two, members. Each group must have owner and member. The owner can add or remove members, while group members can access shared resources. These resources, Outlook, calendar, and document library, can access by the group members. Group limits. Each group must have maximum 100 owners. It may be less than 100, but maximum 100 owner a group may have. Each group members may be up to 1000. The maximum limit for the group member is 1000 and the maximum limit for the owners per group is 100. Tools for groups. There are so many tools in Office 365 using which we can create groups. MS Outlook. Using MS Outlook, we can create group to share emails. We can also create groups using MS Teams, that is used to share audio video chat room. Using MS Team, we can share voice and video call with the group members. Similarly, we can also create group using MS Yammer to share discussion forum. So these are the main tools in Office 365 using which we can create groups. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the rest of videos.